Say something controversial.
Just because I have blue hair doesn't mean I make emo raps.
Woke up about 10 a.m. It's 65 degrees. Even though it's barely March, since all winter it's been freezing. This is cause for celebration, cause for picnics and coffee. So I opened up my savings and grabbed a couple 20s, and it felt just like a day away from walked over to Nelson's where my bike was getting fixed. Total damage, $34. I said keep the extra 6. I'm doing well today. I came home last week with enough to live. I rode south to grab a package, cause our postman never rings the bell. He only leaves a slip, and sometimes he doesn't even leave a slip. He's such a dick. Wait in line for 30 minutes and I finally get my box. Hold the door, they don't say thanks. I fumble with the lock, and my bike hasn't rode this well since the day I picked it up. A Ford Explorer jumps the light, and I can't really stop, and it feels like an alarm clock. I tuck and roll like in the movies and slide across the concrete. Everybody's hollow shit and blood is dripping down to my feet, but I get up and keep moving. It's a busy city street. Keep on moving, busy street. Ride the 7 blocks to Bourne, carry my bike up 2 floors, situate the crowded hallway, limp and waddle through my door, throw the package onto my bed, start investigating sores. Cuts are bigger than expected. I guess I shouldn't have worn shorts. Everyone went to, but it really just took me a couple extra years
Looking at me with their glassy eyes, they're gonna bury me. Dripping with Hennessy and ecstasy, they're gonna bury me. I guess I probably should have done my research.
telephone's been a buzz all morning, and I don't know who is trying to get through. I did some shit that I should have done smarter, but they get away with everything. So I thought I could get away. I thought I could get away too. Down in the Gulf, there's a black sea monster, and my crime ain't huge. A world tattered cube that I didn't fix with the shiny new sticker. Could swallow the summer and choke on the fumes, because they get away with everything that they do. So hold on to your home. It's shaky, I know, but if you bleed, trash will follow. Hold on to your home. It's shaky, I know, but if you flee, trash will follow. The winds that you left in your wake, and you'll fall down again. Oh, the office called. You're in deep, deep trouble. The shit you're afraid of has made you hateful, and you're letting on tired eyes, all spiteful, and nobody cares. We all got sorrow, so hold on to your home, and on to your home. Sorrow don't answer problems. Hold on to your home, and on to your home. Sorrow don't answer problems. Hold on that you hate, the shit that you hate, the shit that you hate don't make you special. The shit that you hate, the shit that you hate.
Took the train today, rock away for the hurricane waves. I got sick yesterday, but it'll take much more to keep me away. I know that today could be the end of the summer, and hey, I've been procrastinating anyway, so it's one more day, so it's one more day. I could be sick tomorrow, I could work and I could catch up. I could wait till tomorrow to pay my way to grow up. All the headlines say surf's up for the hurricane waves, but the bodies say it's gonna be a weekend filled with rain. I know usually I can find a cloud to cover anything, even on the clearest days, but uncharacteristically I will retake some optimism. Travel through the start, tunnel up in the storm. Cheap girls records instead Netflix. I can eat well tomorrow, I can sweep and I can clean up. I can wait till tomorrow
the not around. When relaxing feels like sinking into a bubbly pit with what I'm reaching out. Oh, hey, can you save my life? 'Cause I would save your life. Yeah, I would save your life. And I said, hey, can you save my life? 'Cause I would save your life. 'Cause I would save your life. And I know everyone has bad nights, but you know, hey, 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 I don't wanna die. Can you save my life? 'Cause I know everyone has bad nights, and you know, hey, 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 I don't wanna die. Can you save my life? I know everyone has bad nights, but you know, hey, 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 I don't wanna die. Can you save my life? I know everyone has bad nights, but you know, hey, 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 I don't wanna die. Can you save my life? Can you save my life? Wake up, start running for your life. Fill a tumbler with the coffee, be the cat and hit the lights. Steps are ticking, counts a beat ahead you. Steps are keeping time, but I can't complain. I got a bed I can crawl into. I got a bottle for the pain. I got a window shade, I can pull it down when the sky fills up with clouds and it looks like rain. I can't complain. Someone starts nipping at your heels. Patty pumps blood through your knees, but they don't care how you feel. The little fuckers chewing through the fabric. They're gonna do you in, but I can't complain. I got a bed I can crawl into. I got a bottle for the pain. I got a window shade, I can pull it down when the sky fills up with clouds and it looks like rain. I can't complain. And I'm sorry the things I touch I always damage. And I'm sorry I always feel like I can't manage to stop the fuckers chewing through the plastic. They're gonna do me in, but I can't complain. I got a bed I can crawl into. I got a bottle for the pain. I got a window shade, I can pull it down when the sky fills up with clouds and it looks like rain. I can't complain. I can't complain. I can't complain. I can't complain.
The point is, when you got a perfect wave, a perfect anything, you go for it. You don't worry about what the shark has stuffed up his butt. I mean, there will always be sharks. But how often does this once-in-a-lifetime wave come along?
Roll down the windows, Chris, you gotta turn this song out. I don't know it's time or early, but I don't give a fuck. You dead in a place. You're on the base. You gotta sway with the breeze. You gotta sway with the gotta sway with the And on the 8 a.m. flight home, there's a girl about my age, highlighting psalms in her Bible in the seat that's next to me. And I wonder when she comes home, is it to a family? And if she needed a breather, but just ended up lonely. Oh, good daddy, when I love you, and you know it's gonna be around to have your back. But being kinda lonely for a second here and there is really so much better than, So when I was wrecking it and lucky back, there always breathing down your neck. But every now and then somebody calls you up and says they're coming back. So I will wake you when you're sleeping. I won't call you when I'm freaking out. Again, if you are busy, I won't take it personally. Even nerves of steel deserve a breather. Weight wears down the infrastructure, and hearts of gold can still feel lonely. They don't know they're not the only ones. Everyone I run to is you know it's gotta be the breathing down your neck. But every now and then somebody got you up and says they're coming back. And everybody that loves you will be leaving someday soon. They got problems to undo. They've got paperwork to do. When I show up at 6 a.m., I hope somebody lets me in. I know I've been gone a long time, but you know I'm still your friend. And I hope you get the job that you were looking for. You were a decent girl and you don't need this anymore. And yeah, I get that for sure. And I hope that when I sit around watching some collective banks to the ground, that I don't get too down. Because you're not around. What is hot in Texas? Worse in Arizona. I know I'm banged up. You're far down like falling backwards in a steady slipstream. The way you down is bringing me to shore. 80 W water, I see right through the bottom. You take the pressure off the good, don't give me any more. Give me no more sleep spots, the door is to get stuck in. The fucking full of drugs and alcohol. And I'll be thinking of you long after the night's through. Long after I feel no love. me. But February, I was not myself. March rolled in like beatings and rolled out like a bear hug. In April, I stared out the window for a fucking month. I don't want October, I don't want November, I don't want to feel those crippling blows that I can't explain to myself, my friends, or you. So I saw these there without a Nintendo. It might be because I'm not alone, but this vacation feels more like heaven refreshing. Even I won't spot to the things all I don't got to. Please give me decopper, my feet in the water. Someone who doesn't know when I go on. And I'll be thinking of her long after the summer. Long after the time's morning, dug and cheated, moved away and everybody's gone. So winter never kills me.
Doll, you never showed me nothing but kindness. She would say, I know how sad you get. And some days I still get that way, but it gets better. It gets better. It gets better. Sweetie, it gets better, I promise you. And she'd tell me, your heart is a muscle, the size of your fist. Keep on loving, keep on fighting, and hold on, and hold on. Hold on for your life. Ian built a cabin in the woods to live in. For years terrifying, noises kept him up at night with a 12 gauge under his pillow. He's living in Boston now, going to he was going out of town. I asked him where and he said New Mexico. I asked if I could get a ride. He said no, you don't wanna follow me. Where is I'm going? He backed out of the driveway. It was the last time we saw him, 'cause he drove straight to his parents' cabin and put a bullet in his head. Your heart is a muscle the size of your fist. Keep on loving, keep on fighting, and hold on, and hold on. Hold on for your life.